Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be making this super moist chocolate bread pudding. Now let's bake. So guys, I'm using stale breads for this. If you know your bread is about to be expired in the next couple of days, guys, go ahead and throw it in the freezer just to preserve it. You guys can also use croissant, cinnamon bun, or any breads at all that you guys have. Even biscuits will do. So guys, here I'm gradually whisking 1 cup of that hot cream mixture into the egg and the cornstarch mix, and I'm going to return the custard to the saucepan. I'm going to stir it constantly over medium heat until the custard is thickened. Now you see how creamy your custard looks. This is exactly how you want your creme and glaze to look. Just creamy and beautiful. Then guys, I'm going to be drizzling some of that creme and glaze sauce over my bread pudding, and voila, there you have it. Beautiful chocolate bread pudding. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.